you have to be romantic. You're not a romantic, forget it. Get a computer. We don't sell computers. We fix typewriters. When you type in a typewriter, they click, click, click. It makes you think. You don't buy a typewriter, you buy history. Some of the machines, they're for the 1900s. The one we have behind, the first machine, that's a Smith. That one, they make that one in 1889. And the reason I buy that machine, because that's the #1 machine. And who's the customers? Young kids. Young kids, some little girls, 10 years old, 15 years old, they want a typewriter. If you're in college, they want a machine that look cool, they look nice. And the older, the better they like it. We fix typewriters any kind, and also we fix printers, copy machines, fax machines. I do everything. It's from scratch. Some we had to fabricate, some we had to solder, some we had to weld it. Yeah, I do everything. I like typewriters. Printers, not really. And the typewriters, if the customer they don't want to fix it, I keep it. I don't throw away anything. That's a lot of story behind any machine.